Many congratulations on winning the scholarship.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tell our viewers about yourself.
My name is Shubhayu Banerjee and I live in Hyderabad. Currently, I study in 6th class for the academic year 2021 to 2022. I study in Delhi Public School, Secunderabad's Nanchiram campus. My father works in information technology and my mother is a homemaker. Not only does she attend to all my needs, but I also learn a lot of things from her.
Your kid has received this scholarship. How do you feel? Were you expecting this?
Yes, thank you. It feels very nice, and certainly we are expecting, because after hearing that Shubhayu was among the top 10 finalists, so we thought maybe he will achieve any position between 1 to 3. So it is a very nice and sweet experience for us.
From where did you hear about ISTSC?
Actually, we got to know about ISTSC from various websites.
How was your experience with ISTSC?
My experience with ISTSC was actually quite great. The process, like every single thing, was quite smooth and transparent. Also, I found the mock tests and study material quite essential for preparing for the exams, and it helped me to learn about the type of questions that will come also. And this was for me the first time that I had appeared in an interview for evaluation, and I enjoyed it a lot.
What do you like most about ISTSC? What was your expectations with ISTSC?
What we liked most about ISTSC was the way the whole exam process was conducted by the organization, from the mock tests to the main test, publication of the keys, verification, checking with the experts if there is any confusion or any doubt, then publication of the top 10 list, then arrangement of the interview, then the final results being published. So this whole process was very smooth and transparent to the students and parents, and we found from the students that the questions were also quite nice and challenging, and was interesting for the students to attempt in such a manner this kind of online competition. So in a way, ISTSC has not only matched our expectations but also exceeded our expectations.
According to you, what is the importance of giving talent Olympiad exams?
To me, the importance of these kind of talent hunt or Olympiad exams is that the students get a chance to appear and compete against a larger pool of peers across the nation or even abroad countries. So they get to know about their capabilities in a better manner when they compete against a large pool of students from various backgrounds, various educational boards, various academic backgrounds, and then they also get to know how to appear in this kind of online or competitive exams, which are slightly apart from the school curriculum and school exams. So this is where the importance lies of appearing and taking part in this kind of Olympiad and talent hunt exams.
What will you say to the students who believe appearing in these exams is a burden to them?
I think so, like sometimes it might seem like a burden, but I think so we all should take it sportively, because first few times it might seem a bit hard, or we might not be very successful in attempting it, but it gives us a better idea on like where we stand in the practical competitive world, and so that we get to know ourselves better and we can improve.
When you are not studying, what is your favorite pastime?
As such, I actually do not have a favorite pastime. It really all depends on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I love to go down and play with my friends, or I also love to doodle, and sometimes I just like to sit alone just by myself. And as a hobby, I love to build, sometimes with Legos or cardboard, and sometimes on software tools.
Do you have any message for our viewers?
I think the exam was actually very nice and challenging. I would suggest you to try it.
And from a parent perspective, I would humbly request all my fellow parents also to encourage their children to take this kind of Olympiad and talent hunt exams that will really help them in their current and future life also.
Many congratulations on winning medal.
Thank you ISTSC for such an opportunity. I'll certainly take this exam again in the future.
Thank you. All the best to everybody.